What is up, guys? Welcome back. It's Curtis, C3 Garage Media. It's been a while, but I'm back at you. Driftsgiving. Look at this turkey here. Levi with DriftColorado. Back at you, showing you Driftsgiving here. Got a packed event, tons of money here. But yeah, tons of cars. Gonna be tons of seat time. No comp today, but excited to shred with all the dudes. This is tremendous. Even got a few of the scouts out here. See, we have to pit too deep. There's so many cars out here today. Look at this. It's crazy. We got Danger Dan, got the homeboy and the GS with the 2J, Nick, Blake, me. Let's do this. Going to shred.
Yeah, I'm on shred's fuck tires.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, geez, what happened there, buddy? All right, Dane, you ready? Going out. Look at this pig. And me in the IS. So here we go for set number 2. Better with just us and Dan. Nick's really slow in that Miata, so it's been a killer day thus far. Unfortunately, I haven't got as much film as I typically get. My GoPro I lost, and I'm borrowing my dad's, which isn't working right, but killed 4 sets thus far. She's a little dusty, slid off once. But yeah, it's really good. Danger Dan. So nice, smooth alignment. It's wearing the tires super evenly, but just had a pretty big crash here. Homie's 350Z hit this barrier, moved the barrier over here, and pretty much destroyed his car. It's over there getting towed, but airbags deployed. It's been a really good day. A lot of people here. It's the last event of the year. Appreciate you guys watching. guys. Well, I want to thank you for following along. Today was a sweet drift day. Man, I'm sorry I haven't been making much content lately, but just been super busy with life and family. I did get to put my new subframe bushings on. So we did subframe and diff bushings. So I did the Serial 9 Delrin diff bushings and the solid aluminum subframe bushings. I'll see if I can show you guys real quick. But the IS did awesome all day, so you can see the subframe bushings here, and then I might have to come around front here to see the diff bushings, if we can even see them. Yeah, kind of hard to see, but did the diff bushings and subframe, and yeah, it's running a lot better. Very stiff in the back end, makes some noise, but that's all good. But thank you guys for following along. C3 Garage Media, another great day. Enjoy the drift shots.